哎，
应该放四个都是。
我的卡片，哎呦喂，我的妈呀！来，这今天。没有卡着吧？用常规的就行。谁还打架呢？啊，咱这动口不动手啊。
一代经典，一代可以。
那不是我买的吧？我咋没有一点的印象？
你在电脑上给那个网页能打开吗？连公司的 WiFi， 然后有个实时观看。
哎，文文，你给我估出来了没有尺寸？啊，多少？你再说一遍。
70长70宽，长70宽40。
嗯。
高35。
嗯，打包以后哦，打包以后了吧？
啊，对。
重量嘞
20
公斤。
对。
这么重啊？
是的，那我现在这个不是海宝系。
这么重啊！我得问一下那个。
我问一下啊，我问一下。
来直播。
他知道。
可以了，手机可以直播了。
人家这后面就我给你说的是3个。
解锁一个，再解锁。
啊，行，我那。
这是可以的吗？
旋转设备。
你先直播，我到技术部里。
可以了。
当时说驱动器还是
可以了。
总线的还是卖什么的？总线的他说上次可以卖，海宝系统那一套驱动器特意叫他用的是。
这回你尺寸可别给我少报了。
还是用咱常规的卖出去嘛，是吧？那我要不要？因为那种的驱动器好像还贵。就1000块钱。对。我说我一点印象没有。他说一个配的海宝系统。
我先去门口转一下。
嗯。
啊，确认过了。
连上这个麦克风了是不是？亮了。
连上了。
亮。
特殊要求用那个，还是用我们标准的啊。然后一次玩电机，你直接少配2台就行，上次给我发那2台就没用。
多忘了。哎呀，年纪大了。
喂。
我经常找不。计算器啊。
标牌打没有？
你手机给我算个价格呗，来吧。
你这标牌打一下。
计算器。
上边 BHB 吗
？BPT 呀，连视频都拍了，照片。
我看一下，不用关。不要停止。
没事。
等会还能进吗？
这边没有我。
估计进不了。算了，没事，我就这样把邮件发出去就行。
喜欢的吗？还是报给他？那就走了吧。80个也报给了。
好，走，直播。直播了，来。
还是那3种方式。
从那个2号开始是吗？直播就无所谓了，是不是？从那边。还要从外面吗？好。 来，可以了是吗？Hello, everyone. This is Sunny from China BOTA Welding Company. This is our factory, BOTA Welding and Cutting Equipment Manufacturing. Let's come in. We want to show you our workshop, the production process. So just follow us, and we want to show you a very big, clean factory for the automatic welding equipment manufacturing. So come in, please. This is our number 2 workshop. So let's have a look, take a look what's the production process inside. As you can see, we have a lot of the spare parts for installation, for machine. This is the frame, the welding rotator, welding roller frame. It's going to machining. This machine is our drilling machine for the whole drilling, and another one is also a small one drilling machine. And you can see for drilling the hole here in very flat. It's very light and high quality. The drilling machine and the boring machine, and here you can see we have a lot of spare parts. It's going to machining and drilling here. So recently we get so many orders in the production, so it's very busy right now. But don't worry, if you have orders, just place to us, and we have the capability to produce it. And this is the boring machine. It's working now. You can see it's working. And this is the machining. Hello, we continue. This is flame cutting machine for the steel plate cutting. It's the first stage for the complete manufacturing process. Now we have the 3 CNC cutting machine, flame cutting. Now you can see the 3 machines are working in the same time. As you can see, it's very busy for the production right now. All the steel plates is put here and going to cut in different shapes. So for welding rotator, for welding manipulator, welding positioners. So I think 70% the steel plate cutting will be cut here for ready to install in the next workstation. And this area is for the cutting the bore, the raw material in different shapes, the round shape, the HBM, and the square steel. All these are the raw material. And this is our transfer car for delivering the spare parts to the next workstation. It's very easy for operation and it moves on the rails. It will deliver it to the different workstation for the next process. Okay, now come with me. We want to show you our welding area. This is our welding area. It will need the manual welding. Fresh system is working in this workshop. You can see the pipeline. Yeah, it's very clean. Because the welding is very pollution and it will need this air fresh system and it works every day. Now you can see it's working for the manual welding. Manual welding for the welding rotator frame. The frame will be welded by our workers. Here are the same in different workstations. Okay, so and this one is very big. It's very big. It can be able for the longitudinal and the thin circular welding for the very big diameter tank or the wind tower fabrication. So it's also ready. It finished the welding work, but maybe it will deliver it to the next workstation for installation. Here I would like to introduce our press machine, the automatic press machine. It designed this machine designed and produced by BOTA only. As you know, these wheels are very big and heavy. We cannot put the shaft by manual. So we use this machine to press the shaft into the wheels automatically by hydraulic. So it's very good for using and high efficiency. You can see when it's ready to work, the shaft. This is the shaft and the press. It will go down and press the shaft into the wheels. This wheel is very big. I think it's about 100 tons welding rotators. This wheel before. So it will need to press the shaft inside automatically by hydraulic. Now we would like to introduce the packing box. This packing box is also made by BOTA. You can see the steel frame is very solid and stable for delivery, for export. Here we show you, we already put some rotators, the cell alignment welding rotators inside. So this one is very solid and stable for delivery, for export. This one is ready to ship, ready to export. So you can trust our quality and packing. Manipulator for you. Okay, now we continue. This is our 4x4 welding clone and boom welding manipulator. Our workers is going to install and test it. This part is the submerged arc welding head. The head and the cross slider, automatically motorized slider with the welding head, the torch, the welding torch. And this is the motor and the cables. Here is a fixed type. This one is the fixed type. This one is the lifting motors. The boom motors, and the lifting motors are upside. This one is the 4x4 meters. We have different size, also 2x2 meters, 3x3 meters, up to 12 by 12 meters. So it depends on your tank, your workpiece, your pipeline, your pressure vessel, or your wind tower, the diameter. You can choose the different size. Also, you can choose the different welding the welding weight, the welding method. This one is the submerged arc welding. You also can choose the MIG welding or TIG welding. It depends on your requirements. Okay. So next time when we test this machine, we will show you again, okay? Now we are preparing for test work. Okay, now come with me to the next workshop. We want to show you our finished welding equipment. Okay, I show you how the transfer car working. You can see it moves on the rails. For delivery the spare parts, it's very easy for operation. Just press the button. 可以了。让他看一下。Here, with delivery, we send this welding positioner to the wooden packs box for the final package. This welding positioner is also for export. 咋啦？没事。This is our painting room. Painting room, automatically. This is the painting room. And this is the sand blasting machine. Sand blasting machine. 这是加工过的是吧？ And this, you can see the surface already finished the sand blasting work. You can see it. This one is already finished. Okay, now we compare. We compare unfinished and finished. The surface it looks different. Now this one is finished. You can see. 再对准。This one, the surface is finished, and another one is not finished. Here. This one is not finished. Not finished. But it's going to send inside this. 过去可以走过去一点，看一下。Now look closer at our sand blasting machine. It's very big. And this way is the painting room. You can see in that side is delivery on the rollers and come out from this side. So So all these parts finish the sand blasting work. You can see very beautiful surface. Okay, look at this side. It's for the painting work. When it's painting, the 可以了是吧 ？Okay. The last one I show you the finished welding equipment. Oh. Now you can see our finished welding equipment. This one is our CNC cutting machine. CNC cutting machine, emergency stop button, CNC flame cutting and plasma cutting. All these CNC cutting machines are in stock. So if you are interested in our CNC flame and plasma cutting machine, just contact with me. We can deliver it very fast and very good quality and a very good price for you. Yeah, all this CNC cutting machine in stock. We can deliver it in 7 days. Now this one is very big welding rotators. It's 500 turns. For 500 turns welding rotators. You can see the rollers, the wheels are very big and heavy. The width size is 1 meter. It's up to 1 meter, and the frame is very wide. This is the ideal roller. This side you can see the motorized roller. We produce the 2 sets. This one is also the motorized roller and the Attn roller. We also can produce 1,000 turns and 2,000 turns, 2,500 turns welding rotators. It just depends on your requirement. These big, heavy welding rotators usually applied for the big tank and the wind tower fabrication. And here in the right side is our welding column boom, 4x4 meters, the manned type welding manipulator. The operator can climb up. There is a ladder. It's over another side. There is a ladder. 可以了是吧？又断了一下是吧？ And this is our heavy-duty welding manipulator, and it's the intelligent PLC control system. This one is the motorized travel type, motorized rotation type welding column and boom. And this is the light-duty column and boom. And the self-alignment welding rotators is half finished. And all these frames, the spare parts are ready for installation, for welding rotator installation. Now come with me, we are going to our delivery area. 今天还会有一些滚轮架会送过来吧，是不是？This the adjusting type welding rotator. This one is about 100 turns. The wheels in light yellow color, or you also can require the black color. black color, it depends. Now mostly we produce the black color wheels because it's not so dirty. It will very easy to get in dirty. So some customer prefer the black wheels. It depends on your requirements. This one is the yellow, the light yellow color wheels. Now let's look at this. This is the 10 turns welding rotator delivered. 可以了，它正在直播吧 ？It already packed. It will be packed this afternoon, I think. And here is the welding positioners for export. 5 or 600 kilograms welding positioners, 1 turn welding positioners, and 2 turns, 3 turns welding positioners. These all positioners for export. It will be delivered to the wooden box. We are packed today. You can see the table is very big, the diameter is big, and we marked the direction. 这边. And this one is the 20 turns welding rotators. It's a screw adjusting type. Screw adjusting type is it has a more high precision for adjusting. This is the adjusting type welding rotators, 20 turns. And this is the 80 turns welding rotator, self-alignment welding rotators. This is the motor, the explosion motors. So it's very good quality and good protection. The reducer and the wheels and the frame. You can see the details. It's in very high quality. Also, our price is very competitive. So that's all. That's all for our welding equipment. If you are interested in our welding equipment, just come with me, contact with me, send me email or contact me by WhatsApp, and we will answer you with 24 hours. Okay, now we finish 这个视频处理一下，是不是？